Let's make Margarita Pizza.
Choose the pizza you want to make. Margarita. Get the right ingredients in the basket. Salt. That's right, olive oil. Good for you, tomato paste. Good for you, basil. Halfway there, tomato. That's right, cheese. Good for you, flour. Yay! All the ingredients are assembled. Prepare the ingredients. Tear off all the leaves. This needs to be sliced. The cheese needs to be grated. Let's make the sauce. Unscrew the lid. This needs shaking. Stir the sauce. Yay! The sauce is ready. This needs shaking. This needs shaking. You have to mix the dough. The dough is ready, all that's left is to roll it out. Place all the ingredients on the pizza. It's done. All you have to do is bake the pizza. Yay! The pizza's ready. Congratulations!